Hey everybody, this is Angel from the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you on this week's Play of the Week. I have some exciting news for our DoD and GCC High customers. Microsoft has just announced the upcoming availability of a new feature for our government cloud users. The Stream mobile app is now in development for release to GCC High and DoD users. The completely rebuilt Stream mobile app will be accessible on both iOS and Android devices, providing you with seamless access to stream videos as well as Teams meeting recordings. This new app offers an enhanced video playback experience, an improved user interface, and core functionalities such as offline downloads, video recording, and uploading. We understand the importance of accessibility and convenience, and this app will allow you to stay connected and access your videos and recordings on the go. The Stream mobile app for GCC High and DoD users is currently in development with the expected release date in August 2023. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Play of the Week. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out to us or your IT staff if you have any questions.